Hello everyone, this is Amel and I welcome you today for this training about digital marketing, and I'm going to share with you a few tips that you can use right away and start seeing improvement in your marketing as fast as possible. And my goal with these trainings is really to simplify for you anything related to digital marketing, whether it's SEO, web analytics, social media, how to automate your marketing using technology and being productive. So thanks again for taking this afternoon to spend it with me for this training, and we are going to start. Okay, so the um, training of today is to teach you how to rank better your content on the search engine. So the higher you rank, the more traffic you can get to your website. And the more traffic you can get to your website, the more conversion you can get, which means more sales, more signups, more clicks, and so on. Now, how the web works, yeah, I'm sure you know, obviously, this is how people reach your site. So they can come from direct navigation, they can come from other page referrals, like if you go and you blog on someone else's website and you have a link that points back to your site and they find you from there, this is a referral page. And obviously the search engines. Now, if you are, asking why are we just focusing on the search engine today in our talk, it's because SEO, search engine, drives most of the traffic online. So just to give you an idea, and I can put the details in the description under this video. So just to give you a better idea of this, there were a study, as I said, and they actually analyzed 30,000 website traffic. Okay, they looked at their analytics and all, and they discovered that about 64% of the traffic came from search engine. Okay, and this is really important for you to understand. It means that if you go to your analytics, so how can you use this statistic data that I just gave you? Okay, so if you go to your analytics, and hopefully everyone here is actually using Google Analytics, which is a free tool from Google, on your website, and you're tracking visits and all, and clicks and all. Um, yeah, so I was saying, if you go to your analytics and then you look at the traffic source where people are coming from, and you look at the percentage, and let's say you discover that you're getting 30% from search engine, or let's say, just to simplify it even more, let's say you're getting just 20% from the search engine, and maybe 20 from referral, and the rest. Okay. Um, the search engine, the 20% means that you are actually missing 40% of the traffic from search engines, because as I said, the statistic, the data, the analysis that this company found, it was 64% of the traffic was coming from the search engine of these 30,000 website. So it means you're missing big traffic opportunity there, because you are not optimizing your pages for SEO, for the search engine. So you're not doing search engine optimization properly. Okay. Now, if you're wondering what direct navigation means, it's when people know exactly your domain and they go and they type the domain on your browser. If you have maybe a newspaper ad or something like that, or sometimes what happens also in the direct navigation, but that's another story. It's when people they bookmark your page and they come back from that bookmark. Okay, so they're going to show up on your web analytics. And soon I will make a training. I will put together a training about web analytics 101, really just to give you the basics, the foundation of web analytics, and how you can look at your data and extract insights from it. So you can improve your conversion, you can improve revenue, you can improve traffic. Okay. So let's move on. All right. So this is what, as I said, people find you on the search engines. How they find you? Okay. They go online. They have a problem usually, and they go find a solution. So if they love gardening, they can go and look for gardening tips. And Google search engine brings back results, and you see the title, which I'm going to talk about after, and the description. So right now what you're looking at, it's a description tag. Okay, when I say tag, means that we are using inside our pages in the script side of it. Okay, the side that people don't see. They only see your content. They don't see your language, the HTML language you're like behind the content. So you're using tags, you're using language to talk to the search engine. And search engines, they have bots and spiders, and they can crawl your, you crawl your content. They can crawl your scripts and find signals, to that gonna for them it's gonna make sense of your. They're gonna make sense of your content when they find these tags. Okay, same thing for the title. So if you're using a title tag, and the title is catchy and all, it's going to show up on the search results. So people, when they search, if they have a problem or they're looking for a solution, they're looking for a product, they type a keyword or a key phrase or key term, and they're gonna see a title and a description. So if your title is really catchy, if your description is detailed and using active verbs, and having even call to actions, then you're gonna get more traffic from the search engines, because they're gonna engage with your content on the search results. They're gonna click and come to your website, come to the page that they found on the search results. That's how you can get more traffic, by optimizing your meta tags to start with. So this is very, very important, and you need to understand that. And how do you do that? There's places on your page that you can use to signal to these spiders, these bots, to tell them, hey, this is the key phrase, key term, keyword that I want to rank for. So for this page, and you tell them, hey, this is an image, okay, because you're going to tag the image, or hey, this is a video, because you're going to tag a video. So today I'm just going to simplify. I'm going to just talk about a few things, because I don't want to go into advanced SEO. So this is really basic and SEO. So we use the common basic fundamental tags that you need to use. As I said, is the page title tag. Okay, so I was talking about it a few seconds ago. So this is the title, as you see here. If the keyword is chocolate donuts. Well, you see the page title is chocolate donuts, and it's there in the title, Mary's Bakery, for example. And the meta description, which they're going to see on the search results, has the keyword chocolate donuts there too. Okay, so Mary's Bakery's chocolate donuts are possibly the most delicious, and so on. So that's what they're gonna see. This is their first contact with you. This is how they engage the first time with you. Their experience with your website, with your company, with your solutions, with your products start on the first search result page on Google or Bing or Yahoo, and it starts with the title tag and the description tag. If they don't like them, they're not gonna click. If you said something that caught their attention and they click and they come, then you need to really fulfill that promise. After that, there is that we use, for example, the H1 tag when talking HTML here in the script. If you're using WordPress, it's your WordPress title, okay, WordPress headline. You just enter your headline and put the keyword there, and it's going to help your page to optimize for that keyword. Same thing for image. We use the alt attribute, which is another alt tag that we this is the alt tag that we use to optimize an image, to tell Google, hey, this is an image. Okay, this is what the image is about. It's about chocolate donuts, okay, in this example. The file name of the image, we will add the keyword there too. Also in the body text, we will use the keyword and some different way to say the keyword. With what I mean here, synonyms, what we call semantic keywords, related keywords, and so on. Okay, so you can actually use other keywords that are like say the same thing, but like when we say car and we say automobile, it's the same thing. We're talking about the same thing. Okay, and also the page URL, very important to add your keyword there to signal to the search engine that this page is about chocolate donuts or car repair, Toronto, whatever, and so that they can get these signals, and when somebody goes online and search for chocolate donuts near their location, your page should come up first, okay, or at least on the first page of Google. Now we're not talking about position 1, 2, 3, or 4 or 5, but the better you optimize, well, the better chances you'll be on the up in the ranking. But at least you get to the first page, which is super important. So as I said, just to summarize, there's like there's 5 major functions of search engines, but I'm just talking about 2 here because understanding search engines is really key to optimize the right way. So they crawl and they index your page once they crawl it. An index is their database of all the websites they found. And then if somebody goes online and search for something that's related to whatever you have on the page, then they serve the result to them. Okay, so that's how it works. It's really simplifying it for you. Of course, there's other stuff that they look at, but if you understand this and you start by optimizing your pages for SEO, and for people too, because user experience is important, as I said, because your users, when they're looking for chocolate donuts and they see your title and description and you're talking about chocolate donuts, but they get there, they get on the page and they see something else, you're talking about pizza, where, hey, there's something wrong. I was looking for chocolate donuts. I don't want to eat pizza. All right. So you need to fulfill the promise that you made to them when they saw your page on the search results. Okay, so that's really important. And here you engage with them, give them high quality content. You use the keywords and the synonym of the keyword, the related words for that keyword on the page, so that you're helping your users to understand and make sense of the page too, so they stay longer. If you're using images, if you're using videos, they're going to stay and stick longer, and that's going to help you long term rank better on the search engine. So if you have any questions for me, I hope this is really like a summary, but I hope it gives you some new ideas to use the search engine and to optimize your keywords for them. So please, make sure you like the page, make sure you please put your comments, questions, or any topic you want me to talk more about in the comment area. And also, if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to put up more content like this. And also in the description, you will find more resources for you so that you can get more trainings like these. So again, thanks for taking this afternoon and your time to learn more about how you can get your page ranked on the first page of Google for your keywords or key phrase, key terms, the right way, ethically, using the best practices. Okay, thank you very much. Hello, everyone. This is Amel, and I welcome you.